This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by taking control. Sign into the admin Xbox profile and open settings. Once done, disconnect Ethernet or turn off Wi-Fi so the console can't fetch updates while you change options. Next, go to General Power Mode and Startup and pick Energy Saving to prevent background downloads. Make sure to confirm the selection. This prepares the system so you can change update behaviors without the console auto-applying patches mid-step. Keep it offline until the next slide. You now disable the automatic mechanisms. Go to System Updates and uncheck Keep My Console Up to Date. Then go to My Games and Apps, Manage Updates, and turn off automatic updates for games and apps. Press Confirm so the settings stick. Also, check Xbox network settings and disable features like allow downloads from other players to reduce unexpected content transfer. Once these are off, the console won't fetch or install updates automatically while it's powered up normally. Finish by restarting the console while still offline and immediately verify that the update toggles remain off. This confirms settings persisted. From now on, manually check for updates in System Updates only when you want them installed. If the console still forces updates, clear the cache by powering down fully and unplugging for 30 seconds, remove and re-add your profile, or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset. Make sure to back up saved data. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves stubborn auto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.